The high desert of New Mexico, a place of stark beauty. Ancient mountains pierce the sky. The sun beats down on the adobe buildings. But something strange is happening here, something unsettling. A low-frequency hum vibrates in the air. It's a sound that haunts this peaceful landscape, a sound that no one can explain. This is the Taos hum. For decades, people have reported hearing this mysterious sound. It's a low-pitched drone, often compared to a distant diesel engine. Some describe it as a throbbing or pulsing sensation. It's ever-present, yet elusive. Many dismiss it as a figment of the imagination, but those who hear it know it's real. It's a haunting reminder that some mysteries defy explanation. This sound, this hum, is a doorway into the unknown. It's a call to explore the edges of our understanding, to confront the mysteries that lie hidden in plain sight. The earliest reports of the Taos hum emerged in the 1990s. Residents of Taos, New Mexico, began to notice a strange phenomenon. A low-frequency hum permeated the air. It was subtle, yet persistent, especially noticeable in the quiet of the night. At first, it was just a whisper, a few scattered reports dismissed as imagination or local folklore. But the whispers grew louder. More and more people came forward. They described the same unsettling sound. A low-frequency drone that seemed to emanate from the earth itself. These weren't isolated incidents. The reports shared striking similarities, a consistent description of the sound, a shared experience of bewilderment and unease. The Taos hum was no longer a whisper. It was a chorus of voices demanding attention. What is the Taos hum? No one knows for sure, but numerous theories attempt to explain its origin. Some believe it's a geophysical phenomenon, perhaps low-frequency acoustic emissions from the Earth's crust. Others speculate it could be related to underground water flow or tectonic plate movement. Could the Earth itself be humming a secret song? Another theory points to electromagnetic radiation. Power lines, communication towers, and other man-made sources generate electromagnetic fields. Could these fields be interacting in unexpected ways, creating audible frequencies? Or is there a more sinister explanation? Some whisper about secret government experiments. Could the hum be a byproduct of advanced technology, hidden from public view? The truth, as always, remains elusive. The Taos hum is more than just a sound. It's a physical sensation that can have a profound impact on those who hear it. Witnesses describe a range of disturbing effects. Headaches, nausea, and dizziness are common complaints. Some experience insomnia and anxiety. The constant low-frequency drone can be maddening. It disrupts sleep patterns and creates a sense of unease. Imagine a constant low hum filling your ears, a vibration that seems to resonate deep within your bones. It's a feeling of being watched, of being surrounded by something unseen and unknown. The psychological toll can be significant. The constant presence of the hum can lead to stress, paranoia, and even despair. It's a haunting reminder that we are not alone. Section 5. Fact, fiction, or frequencies. Is the Taos hum real, or is it a collective delusion? The scientific community remains divided. Some dismiss it as mass hysteria or misinterpretation of common sounds. They argue that the human ear is sensitive to low-frequency sounds. Sounds that we may not consciously perceive can still have a physiological effect. Traffic noise, industrial equipment, and even ocean waves can generate low-frequency vibrations. But others acknowledge the legitimacy of the phenomenon. They point to the consistency of witness accounts and the lack of a single, definitive explanation. Numerous studies have been conducted on the Taos hum. While no conclusive evidence has been found, some studies have detected unusual low-frequency sounds in areas where the hum is reported. The mystery persists, fueled by a lack of concrete answers. Section 6. Chasing shadows, seeking answers. Despite decades of research, the Taos hum remains an enigma. Scientists continue to investigate. They employ sophisticated audio equipment, hoping to capture and analyze the elusive sound. They study geological formations and atmospheric conditions, searching for clues to its origin. But the hum, like a phantom, evades detection. Some researchers believe the answer lies in the human brain itself. They suggest that the hum may be a form of auditory hallucination, perhaps triggered by stress, anxiety, or even electromagnetic fields. Others speculate that it could be a form of hyperacusis, a condition that causes increased sensitivity to certain sounds. The search for answers continues, leading researchers down a rabbit hole of tantalizing possibilities. Section 7. The global hum. The Taos hum is not an isolated phenomenon. Similar hums have been reported in other parts of the world, from Bristol, England to Largs, Scotland, from Bondi Beach, Australia to Kokomo, Indiana. The hum seems to transcend geographical boundaries, suggesting a global phenomenon at play. Could these hums be connected? Are they all caused by the same underlying phenomenon? Or are they separate but related mysteries? The global nature of the hum only deepens the enigma. It hints at a force or phenomenon that extends far beyond the high desert of New Mexico. Section 8. The hum in popular culture. The mystery of the Taos hum has captured the imagination of people worldwide. It has been featured in numerous books, documentaries, and television shows. From unsolved mystery series to science fiction thrillers, the hum has become a cultural phenomenon. It serves as a reminder of the unknown that exists just beyond our perception. In some stories, the hum is portrayed as a harbinger of doom, a sign of impending environmental disaster or alien invasion. In others, it's a source of ancient power or a gateway to other dimensions. Whether fact or fiction, the Taos hum continues to fascinate and terrify. Section 9. The unsolved enigma. The Taos hum remains one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. It's a testament to the limits of our understanding, a reminder that some phenomena defy easy explanation. Despite decades of research and speculation, the hum persists, a haunting reminder of the unknown that surrounds us. So the next time you find yourself in a quiet place, listen closely. Can you hear it? The low, persistent hum, the sound that has baffled scientists and captivated imaginations for decades. The sound that whispers of secrets hidden beneath the surface of our world.